Hello. First of all, I really appreciate your interest in our Forex signals, and I'm sure you are here for the further details, right? Uh, FXMI exclusive signals. Let's go to the details. Now, before going to the details, we need some information from your side, and that information or details we need from you is what's your equity size, trading account size, either it's above 100 or 500 above, or above 1000 USD, or above 2000 USD, whatever you have to tell us. Secondly, you have to tell us your broker name. Why? Because of the spreads. We want this issue in our consideration while giving the signals, so that's very important. Third is the country name. And why it is that? Because we want to know the timing at which we try to give you the signals. Fourth is the what type of signals you are interested in. Are you looking for the long-term signals, or are you looking for the short-term signals? So you have to tell these four information to us first of all, and let's go further. Pips we deliver to clients, very simple. Our monthly target is 1650 pips, but what we get, it depends on the market conditions. If market is in trends, then we achieve almost above 2000 pips, above our target level. If market is in flat consolidation, range bound, then we end up near 1000 pips because of the less market movement. Most of the time weekly one ends up near 500 pips. So these are the details regarding pips we deliver to the clients. Now next question is signals standard format. What is the format of the signals? So that's very simple. First of all, signals includes the information entry point. That can be like a market instant order or like pending order. It can be buy order or a sell order, buy limit or sell limit, depending upon the scenario, setup, or the strategy we are implementing. Second is the exit point, the stop loss point, and third is profit point, that is target. Most of the time we give one target, but fewer times we also give target 1 and target 2 as well. Sometimes we give money management plan with signals also. Fewer times we also tell the risk size, lot size also. Sometimes we share the reasons behind the signals also in chart shape. So you better gauge what we think and why we think. So that's only to educate you guys as well as giving you the tips and signals. So we want you to get education also. And below is the picture of exact format of our signals, and let's go further. Regarding the communication medium, there are two communication medium for the signals. First is Telegram secret channel. When you subscribe us, then you will get the access. Second is our official website exclusive membership area. Okay, these two are the communication mediums from where you can get these signals linked up with after subscription. Third is how many signals per week, the frequency of the signals. So our signals frequency is 45 signals per month. We give 10 to 15 signals per week as well. We deliver 2 to 3 signals per day. So number of signals depend on market condition, depend on our setup, that depend on our strategy, method, scenario, and the point here for you guys is we give daily 2 to 3 signals. So that's very important. Next is what type of signals you get. So that's a difficult question, but answer is we give every type of signals: long-term signals, short-term signals, intraday signals, scalping signals, positional signals. depending on the goals that we have in our mind. Most of the time you get intraday signals and positional signals. Well, intraday signals target 80 to 120 pips and positional long-term signals target 200 to 500 pips. So that's all from here. Signal timing. There is no specific timing of signals. They can come anytime. Whenever we see our opportunity setup, we deliver signals instantly to clients. Most of the time, intraday and short-term scalping signals come during UK and US sessions. Regarding long-term or positional signals, they can come anytime, and according to our experience, mostly weekly start or monthly start. On Monday, we deliver few long-term signals. There is no issue of timing. You will experience wherever you are located. We work 24 hours a day. Okay, so timing is not issue, guys. Here, accuracy and drawdowns very important. Our accuracy more or less lies near 84%, but in ranging market we have 75% accuracy, somehow due to irritation, noise and chaotic movements, while in trading markets we are more good at 5% accuracy. Regarding the drawdowns, as we know that whenever we go for the trade, we have certain type of objective profits, but we have certain type of defined risk tolerance. So our risks and drawdowns are near 10 to 15%. Now many clients ask question to us, that is, what strategy we use. That's $1 million question, and we don't want to answer that clearly because we can't tell you our strategy straight away. Most of the time we use hybrid Elliot wave method. Also we consider the price action, volume spread studies and market profiles methods. On lower time frame we use order flow analysis methods. Shortly I can say that we have developed our own strategies using our 5 to 7 years of experience in financial markets, and by extracting the above all methods we actually made our strategy by using 5 to 7 years of experience in financial markets, including stocks, equities, Forex, commodities, every market. How to apply signals? It's very simple. All you need to open 2 trades on each signal. Every trade that you put should be 1% risk per trade. So how you calculate 1% risk? Risk size will be calculated by risk size calculator. That's a calculator you can get from FX book website or anywhere on Google. So you get lot size based on stop loss size. So every lot size depend on our stop loss size, how much big stop loss we mentioning in our signals. When you see your trade in profit with rewards much greater than your risk defined, then all you need to close one trade in profit and let other running with stop loss shift at break even. So that is the particular strategy regarding the application of our signals. $1 million question: how to sign up? Simply pay 2-month subscription fee and get in within seconds in our alert channel where FXMI, our Forex signals, you can access. Okay, so when you pay 2-month subscription, we will add you immediately in our paid group where we are giving the signals. Payment methods. These are the payment methods by which you can send us your subscription fee, your registration fee, and you can use Perfect Money method, you can choose PayPal, you can choose Skrill, you can choose Western Union, you can choose Nettler, and if you are in Pakistan, UK or Canada or like UAE, then you can use EasyPass as well. That's all from the details regarding our Forex signals. So I hope you are going to join us, and I tell you what, this will work for you, and let's try it. Thank you. The office.